Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. A new broadband internet player has entered the Jamaican market. Neptune Communications, which is based in Barbados, will be providing satellite internet service across the island. A release from the company disclosed that it will focus on offering broadband access and connectivity solutions to government entities and companies. Now, Neptune CEO Julian Jordan says the company will offer a more resilient solution, less susceptible to adverse weather shocks such as hurricanes and the associated damage to the telecommunications structure. Now, the company is expected to announce the head of its Jamaican operations next week. Neptune Communications has been in operation since 2009, and its focus on satellite internet has been for over 2 years. The bid submission deadline for the Phase 1 of the Greater Bernard Lodge Development Project has been extended to September 14. Now, the administrators of the Greater Bernard Lodge Development Master Plan have invited qualified developers to participate in a competitive divestment process for land within the development area. They say housing and agriculture will be equally prioritized, with 15,000 to 16,000 housing solutions programmed for the construction and 1,300 acres of land reserved for small and medium-sized farmers. Now, the Greater Bernard Lodge Development Master Plan spans a total of 5,397 acres. Banks and cambios are selling the U.S. currency for an average $151.55. The Canadian dollar is trading at $121.11, the pound for $209.90, and $180.64 for the euro. Now back to some company news. First Rock Capital Holdings has secured a $10 million loan from Sagicor Bank. The money will be used to finance the construction of the company's Hambani Estates luxury residential development in Kingston. The project is slated for completion next year. First Rock received building approvals from the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation earlier this year. Now, the JSE Index lost 3,556 points today, while the Junior Market Index dropped by 15 points. Advancing today were Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable preference shares, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, JMB Group 7.25% variable Jamaican dollar preference shares, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, and Palace Amusement. While on the losing side today, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Margaritaville Turks, JMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news right after the break.